Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lion planter is probably one of the most unique and eye-catching additions you can make to your home decor. This planter, shaped like a majestic lion, is not just a container for your plants, it's a statement piece that adds personality and a touch of the wild to any space. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this planter is sure to spark joy and conversation. Number 5. Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Grow Kit. Want fresh, delicious mushrooms? This kit makes it easy. You can harvest your own gourmet oyster mushrooms in just 10 days. This kit is completely organic and non-GMO, so you don't have to worry about any harmful substances. You can cook them however you want or add them to your favorite dishes. You can grow your own crop all year long with this indoor kit. Just put it near a window with indirect light and mist it twice a day. You'll see beautiful mushrooms growing within a week. Mushrooms are one of the easiest things to grow indoors. All you need to do is open the box and spray it daily with the included mister. Each crop produces several servings of mushrooms, and each box can grow up to 2 crops. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. It comes in beautiful packaging, ready to be given to friends and family. Plus, it's part of the Grow One Give One campaign, so you can help give back too. Made in the USA and 100% guaranteed to grow. If you're not satisfied, just let us know, and we'll send you a replacement. What we like? This kit is 100% organic and non-GMO, ensuring healthy mushrooms. It's incredibly easy to grow, even for beginners, requiring minimal effort. If you are looking for a unique and eco-friendly gift, this is perfect. You can enjoy fresh, homegrown mushrooms in just days. What people say? They changed to very large-looking white sea crustaceans. LOL, and I could see tiny little mushroom pins starting to form on the heads of the spikes, each day, sometimes in just a few hours' time. The transformation of these mushrooms were amazing. These mushrooms grow fast when they start. Whether kid or adult, this was such a fun process to do and rewarding. Number 4. STHIE 5-inch ceramic planters. These ceramic pots feature a cute panther and floral pattern, adding a modern touch to any space. It's perfect for bringing a stylish visual presentation to your home or office. The small flower pots are ideal for growing most houseplants and flowers. You can also use them for dried flowers or even as a handy storage container. It's perfect for decorating your desktop or garden. Each indoor pot comes with drainage holes to help excess water flow out. This design helps prolong the life of your plants, ensuring they thrive in any environment. Made from high-quality ceramic, these outdoor pots are resistant and sturdy. They allow you to grow various plants in all types of weather, from succulents to vegetables. These ceramic planters are a perfect gift for anyone who loves home decor and enjoys planting. It's suitable for various occasions, such as Mother's Day or housewarmings. Note that plants are not included. What we like? These planters feature a cute panther design, adding a modern touch to any space. They are versatile, suitable for plants or even as storage. If you like a stylish and functional decor piece, you should consider these. It's a great way to add personality to your home or office. What people say? Super cute, sturdy. Well crafted. Love the ceramic pot. Heavy duty and has drainage holes. Adorable little pot with drainage holes. Number 3. HAUCOZE Lion Planter Statue. This lion planter is designed to hold succulents, which can bring joy and purify the air. It's also great for storing small items or simply as a decoration. The geometric shape gives it a modern look. This handcrafted lion statue is perfect for any home or office. Place it on your desk, table, or shelf to add a special touch to your room. It will become a unique scenic spot. Made from high-quality polyresin and hand-painted, this 6.1-inch figurine is safe for kids. The materials used are 100% lead-free and environmentally friendly. This lion planter makes an excellent gift for any occasion. It comes in a printed box, ready for giving to your family, friends, or loved ones. It's a memorable and imaginative present. Each product is securely packaged in styrofoam to ensure safe delivery. This packaging helps to prevent any breakage during transit, so it arrives in perfect condition. What we like? This lion planter is handcrafted and perfect for home or office decoration. It's not just a planter, but also a decorative piece. If you like a unique and artistic touch in your space, you should choose this one. It's a great gift for any occasion. What people say. They are all beautifully built with a small reservoir for plants. Very sturdy, strong, not flimsy. Figura muy original y de buena calidad. Number 2. Strolfay Samoan Dog Planter. Want to make your garden stand out? These cute dog-shaped planters come in many styles and will add a warm touch to your garden or indoor decor. The vase has drainage holes to help your plants thrive. Made of high-quality PVC, this planter is strong and long-lasting, and it won't easily fade. It's easy to clean and designed to hold the weight of soil and plants without tipping over. Don't worry about complicated setups. The planter comes with detailed illustrated instructions. You just snap the parts together, and you'll enjoy the satisfaction of assembling it yourself. This planter is incredibly versatile. Use it for your garden lilies, roses, or succulents. You can also use it indoors as a decorative tray. It's also a unique gift for friends and family. We are here to help you. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are available 24 hours a day to assist you. Have a great day. What we like. These planters feature a cute dog-shaped design, adding a warm atmosphere to your garden. Made of high-quality PVC material, it's strong and durable. If you are a pet lover looking for a unique garden decoration, you should consider this. It's easy to install and adds a touch of fun to your outdoor space. What people say. The planter is well made and sturdy. The lion design is very detailed and attractive. It has a good drainage hole. Number 1. Kante Lion Head Concrete Planter 12.6 inch. Introducing a planter that embodies classic English style. This piece features a lion head design, symbolizing strength and royalty. It's a stylish addition to any space. This planter is handmade from a unique blend of concrete and fiberglass. This combination makes it strong, durable, and resistant to weather damage. The color will last for years. This planter is large enough for various plants, indoors or outdoors. It fits seamlessly into different decor styles, from modern to traditional. It's a versatile choice for any home. The planter has drainage holes for proper water control. It also comes with a rubber plug for indoor use. This feature makes plant care easy and helps plants thrive. It provides ample space for healthy plant growth. This planter is perfect for trees, succulents, and flowers. It is a great choice for any garden or home. What we like. This planter has a classic English style with a lion head design. It's made from a durable concrete and fiberglass blend. If you have a garden and want a stylish and long-lasting planter, you should consider this. It provides ample space for healthy plant growth, making it a versatile addition to any home. What people say. Beautiful planters, excellent quality for outdoor use. Amazing planters, solid, very attractive, super nice design. Excellent. Got these because they were made with a heavy material and needed it to make sure the fuchsia standard didn't fall over. The color is a dark gray, perfect. Very heavy and won't tip over in the wind, perfect. No chips or cracks upon unboxing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.